Drowning in digital tasks and feeling like there's never enough time in the day? Well, that's where Zapier swoops in to save the day. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what Zapier is in just 90 seconds, so you can start automating your way to a more productive life. Simply put, Zapier is a web automation platform. Think of it as a digital bridge that connects all your favorite online applications. Instead of manually transferring data or repeating the same actions across different apps, Zapier does it for you automatically. This magic happens through what Zapier calls Zaps. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects two or more apps. Each Zap is triggered by something happening in one app. Let's say a new email arriving in your Gmail inbox. This is your trigger. Then, the Zap automatically performs an action in another app, for example, sending a notification in Slack about that new email. That's your action. So, when this happens in Gmail, you do this in Slack. The possibilities are virtually endless. You can automate almost any task you can think of, from saving email attachments to Google Drive, to adding new leads directly to your CRM, or even automatically posting updates to your social media channels. By automating these repetitive tasks, Zapier streamlines your workflows, frees up your time, and ultimately boosts your efficiency and productivity. It's like having a virtual assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes. Zapier offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, including a free plan to get you started. So, if you're ready to ditch the manual tasks and embrace the power of automation, head over to Zapier and start building your first Zap today. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips and tricks to help you work smarter, not harder.